Okay. Good day, everyone. Before we start our discussion, let's first have our prayer. Amen. Good day again. My name is Patrick Santo Manulag. And before we start our discussion, does anyone of you know what Magna Carta is? Yes, as abroad? Exactly. Magna Carta is about a law in the Philippines that state that a public school teacher should have rights, benefits, and privileges. Magna Carta, or Article 1, has two sections, which is Section 1, Declaration of Policy. This act provides to improve the social, economic, and working status of a public school teacher through living, working, and term of employment in order to be favorably comparison to other existence of opportunities. Now let's proceed to Section 2. Section 2 contains the title definition. This act is also known as Magna Carta should be applied to all public school teachers. This act defined the term teacher, which include the guidance counselor, librarian, and all performing supervisory and administrative staff. This does not include school nurse and other school employees. Article 2 contains Section 3 and 212, outline the recruitment and career progression of a teacher in the Philippines, specifying minimum educational qualification and the process for hiring, probationary period, linear transfer fee procedure, and other aspects related to their professional development. And now we are discussing Article 4, which contains Section 22 to 23, which outline the mandatory health measure of a public school teacher and their entitlement to the free periodic medical examination, treatment against work-related accident in accordance of the law in the Philippines. Article 5, which is leave and retirement. This includes Section 24 to 26. Section 24, vacation leave. Teachers are entitled for a paid vacation leave not less than 2 months or with a minimum of 60 days. Section 25, which is sick leave. Teachers are entitled for paid sick leave not more than 1 month per year with a maximum of accumulation of 90 days. Section 26, retirement. Teachers who have worked at least 20 years of service may retire with a lifetime pension regardless of what age, or with less than 20 years of service may retire with a Article 6, which is Teachers Organization. This acts include Section 27 to 29. Teachers have the right to form and join an organization, and the government should recognize and work with a legitimate teachers organization. Teachers won't be discriminated against for joining or participating this including organization. Article 7, which is administration and enforcement. This includes that Section 30 to 35, which Section 30 to 31, this act states that the Secretary of Education has the power to implement certain rules and regulations that shall take effect after 30 days of publication, and furthermore, annually submit budgetary estimate to the Congress. And finally, Section 32 to 35, this act protects the teacher's right and impose penalty for any violation and reappealing conflicting law, which is inconsistent with this act or modified accordingly. If any part of this act is deemed invalid, the remaining provision will still be in effect. And finally, this act takes effect approval June 18, 1966.